Hello, and welcome to the executive summary of the 5-year development strategy of Vodafone addressing the planned expansion to Indonesia. With a population of nearly 270 million people and a GDP of over $1 trillion USD, Indonesia is the fourth most populated country in the world and the largest economy in Southeast Asia. The Indonesian telecommunications market in particular presents an important opportunity for Vodafone. This market's value stands at 13.6 billion USD and has a volume of 450 million subscriptions, with both these metrics having experienced a compound annual growth rate of 6 to 7% from 2013 onwards. The major component of this market is the wireless segment, accounting for roughly 88% of the market's value, the rest made up of fixed line use. This difference is caused by high costs required to set up infrastructure across the country's many islands, whilst the penetration keeps climbing thanks to 4G and the anticipation of 5G services. From a rivalry standpoint, competition is rather intense, with 4 key operators in the market: Telkomsel, Indosat, XL Axiata, and Hutchison 3 Indonesia. As product differentiation is quite low and no firm has a technological edge, firms choose instead to engage in price competition in an effort to appeal to the rather price-sensitive Indonesian consumers. As a gateway into this market, we recommend that Vodafone operates through Indosat. A member of the Ooredoo Group, Indosat is the second largest telecommunications company in the market, holding roughly 22% of mobile subscribers. In the mind of the local consumer, Indosat embodies a company that delivers quality service at an affordable price and one that the customer can trust and rely on. Now, our overall expansion proposal is divided into 2 stages. The first stage focuses on adapting to the environment while upgrading Indosat's infrastructure between 2019 and 2022. To enter the Indonesian market, the group will initially acquire 20% of Indosat shares for roughly 230 million USD. Meanwhile, Vodafone will also establish a close partnership with the Indonesian firm, involving the sharing of expertise in areas including IT, customer service, and procurement. This cooperation will be delegated to consultants from Vodafone's Global Enterprise Asia-Pacific subsidiary. Key projects during this time will include the installation of additional antennas and MIMO to improve network coverage and capacity, and digitalization of Indosat's internal processes to increase operational efficiency. Additionally, we plan to enhance Indosat's supply chain management capabilities through the implementation of digital solutions such as e-sourcing and system-to-system connections, as well as an exchange of expertise with the Vodafone procurement company with regard to global best practice. In exchange, Indosat will market the Vodafone brand as well as global products and services, assisted by marketing staff from the relatively close-by market of Vodafone India. Stage 2 of the strategy focuses on new technologies and integration during the last 2 years. The group will acquire a further 31% of Indosat shares, costing about 340 million USD to become the dominant shareholder. After the acquisition is complete, we will concentrate on the perfection of 4G coverage and the introduction of 5G and other new technologies like Internet of Things, while also integrating the group's enterprise service department in an effort to increase diversification. During this time, Indosat's existing supply chain and supplier relationships will be seamlessly integrated into one SCM, Vodafone's centralized global supply chain organization. From that point on, Indosat will be run to the standards of the Vodafone Group, but tailored to the needs and wants of the Indonesian people. Overall, this expansion is expected to generate significant gains for Vodafone. Beyond just granting access to a massive new market and revenues, this growth of the company's global reach can create new cost-saving opportunities and lower the group's dependency on European markets. This proposal will also serve as a significant foothold for further expansion into the Southeast Asian market. Finally, Vodafone will be given the rare opportunity to truly improve the lives of millions of people. By upgrading Indonesia's substandard communications technology, the group will jumpstart the business of countless SMEs, reconnect families, and help the entire country become a part of an increasingly interconnected global society.